Captain Laka Living.
Trying to get this wax off my hands.
What can you say about this this buffalating job?
Buffalated.
I think it's pretty damn buffalated. Holy crap. I mean, y'all can't tell. Look at this top side. Look at this bottom side. I think Captain Laka does a good job. Yeah, YouTube, you'll get a fire up video of that Camaro in a minute, but little CRF fun 10 to pick up today. Yeah, pee in the bushes.
Pee off the swing set. I got
Yeah. 110 pickup. What? Hold on. Making a YouTube video. Got him. Dude, this damn phone is nuts. It looks like daylight with the phone.
Well, I better get going.
Uh-oh, better get going. All right, YouTube, get ready for a 1,000 horsepower fire up. Is that poop?
Bag of dog shit. Yeah.
That's really nice.
First two left right here.
Oh, good job, Kirsty. Yeah, Uncle Alex has a 02 SS. You guys have seen this thing on the channel before. Boy, that is a quiet engine up front. Let me get out back. Better than the lube? I thought it was in there.
Hell yeah.
Huh?
Hey.
Laka Living. Follow him if you haven't. The guy's about to break some records on the tube. Do a burnout. That thing's a damn hot rod, man.
I forgot until I texted my sister today.